So last week, we got a juicy leak about Samsung's upcoming One UI 8.5, and with it came a little surprise about the Galaxy S26 Ultra. Looks like Samsung is finally stepping things up in the charging department. According to the leak, the S26 Ultra will support 60-watt charging. That's about a 33% boost over the 45 watts we've been stuck with on the S25 Ultra. Finally, right. But now, we've got even more details. Ice Universe, yeah, the leaker who's usually spot on, posted on Weibo that the S26 Ultra's 5,000 mAh battery can hit 75 to 80% in just 30 minutes. That's already impressive, but here's the kicker. He says Samsung's actually playing it safe with those numbers. In real-world tests, the phone might hit 90% in half an hour. To put that in perspective, the S25 Ultra tops out around 72% in 30 minutes. So we're looking at roughly 25% faster charging with the S26 Ultra. That's a big step forward, even if it's still not quite in the league of Chinese flagships that basically teleport battery into your phone. We don't have the exact 0 to 100% charging time yet, but based on these early numbers, there's a good chance it could fully charge in around 45 minutes. And honestly, that's more than enough for most people. Unless, of course, you're one of those who needs a full charge in 10 minutes. In that case, yeah, keep dreaming. Still, it's great to finally see Samsung pushing charging speeds in the right direction. 60 watts might not be industry-leading, but for Samsung users, this is a big quality of life upgrade. The only thing that would have made it even better: a slightly bigger battery. But hey, maybe we'll get that in 2027. Fingers crossed. So, what do you think? Is 60 watts finally enough from Samsung, or are they still playing it too safe? Let me know your thoughts in the comments, and as always, I'll see you in the next one.